Hey, my name is Priyobrat Mishra, and you all are watching your favorite channel, Ulta Soch. My dear friends, जोल भाव रे आपण माने जानिचंती कि हम माने कंटिन्यूअसली एमसीक्यू करूचंती. सो आजि आमे जो एमसीक्यू करिबा मु जो लास्ट टाइम कहितले काहर कोन दरकार अछि वीडियो किछि पिला कहितले कि जो एबीसी सैंपल पेपर रे जो सब क्वेश्चन आंसर देछि एमसीक्यू रो ताको टिके डिस्कशन करिबा पाई. तो विलंब करिबा नै आज आमे फास्ट माय ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज रो जे क्वेश्चन आंसर अछि डिस्कशन करिबा. नंबर बाय नंबर जिबा लेफ्ट साइड टू हम स्टार्ट करिबा. So, first question is, who is the writer of My Greatest Olympic Prize? तार माने होची My Greatest Olympic Prize रो राइटर किए? जेसी वेन्स, ना लॉस लॉन्ग, ना एडोल्फ हिटलर, ना चर्चिल. ताले आंसर हबो जेसी वेन्स. My Greatest Olympic Prize रो किए हेले जेसी वेन्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हैला जेसी वेन्स बिलोंग्स टू व्हिच कंट्री? को कंट्री रु बिलोंग्स करंती? अमेरिका, इंग्लैंड, जर्मनी, इटाली. ए चारटांक कंट्री रु को कंट्री रु जेसी वेन्स बिलोंग करंती? ताहले वेरी सिंपल, दिस इज अमेरिका. व्हाई हाड जेसी वेन्स कम टू जर्मनी? जर्मनी जेसी वेन्स काहे के आसीतले? फुटबॉल खेलिबा पई ऑप्शन ए, क्रिकेट खेलिबा पई, to participate in the Commonwealth Games, to participate in the Olympic event. ताले आपनको केबे भी कॉमनवेल्थ आउ ओलंपिक भितर डिफरेंस बुझियो चेष्टा करंतु. एठी हबो to participate in the Olympic event. Now, question number 5. In which year this Olympic event was organized? 1930. को वर्ष ए ओलंपिक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करा जाइतिला? 1935, 1937, 1936, 1938. ताले 1936. It will be, answer will be C. In which season this Olympic event was organized? को सीजन ने? समर और विंटर रे हुए. तेणु कोउटे रे? विंटर ना समर ना स्प्रिंग ना रेनी. को सीजन ने हेतला? समर. 1936 समर बर्लिन ओलंपिक. What did Adolf Hitler childishly insist? Adolf Hitler childishly कौन insist करिथिले? His performers were the members of a master race. Option A. B. His performers were members of Nordic races. Next Aryan races. ना all the above. ताहले से कौन childishly insist करथिले? कहिथिले कि his performers were members of a master race. देखंतु आपनकर एकट सेकट भी आई मीन क्वेश्चन आंसर जदि आपन देखिबे आपनको बही रे देछि आंसर शीट को जिबे से डी देछि ऑल द अबव. मु बट आपन मानु कोछि बही रे जहा देछि आपन से लिखिबे हिज परफॉर्मर्स वर द मेंबर्स ऑफ अ मास्टर रेस, राइट. सो ए मास्टर रेस रु अलगा गुडा सब एक्सप्लेन होछि. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, 6 नंबर टा अगेन मु आपन कोछि आंसर ए हबो. आपन के इच्छा आपन जहा देख परबे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Why was not Jesse Owens worried about Hitler's attitude? काहे कि जेसी वेन्स हिटलर को एटीट्यूड को ओरी नथिले? Because he had known him. जे तौ जानिथिले. Because he had not feel confidence on himself. तांकर कॉन्फिडेंस नथिला. He had trained himself for 6 years. None of the above. 7 नंबर. से 6 वर्ष धरि निजकू ट्रेन करिथिले. He had trained himself for 6 years. Now, question number 8. What was he thinking when he was coming over the boat? जले बोट रे आसले कोन भाबुतले? टू फाइट वेल, भल से लड़ाई करिवे. Was confused what to do? confused तले कोन करिवार अछि? नेक्स्ट हला to take gold medal, to play whatever may be. निश्चित भाव रे आंसर हबो सी. केमिति गोटे दिटा गोल्ड मेडल नेबे ताको सेटा चिंता थिला. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. On which event had he decided to participate? को इवेंट पे से डिसाइड करतले पार्टिसिपेट करिवा पई? हाई जंप, रनिंग, लॉन्ग जंप, स्विमिंग. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 आपनकर हबो कोउतरे सिकले ना लॉन्ग जंप रे. नाउ what was the record he had created a year before as a university student? वर्षे पूर्व यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट हिसाब से से केते दिन थे 26 फीट 8 एंड क्वार्टर 26 फीट 7 क्वार्टर 26 फीट 8 हाफ 26 फीट 8 1/3 so it will be 26 feet 8 and a quarter inches this one. Why was he surprised when the time came for the long jump trials କାହିଁକି ସେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଜମ୍ପ ର ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଆସିଲା କାହିଁକି ସେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଲେ ଏନିୱେ he saw Hitler they are inspiring his performance ସେ ଦେଖିଲେ ହିଟଲର ତାଙ୍କ ପରଫର୍ମର ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଇନ୍ସପାୟାରିଂ କରୁଛନ୍ତି he saw a tall boy hitting the pit at almost 26 feet on his practice slip ଦେଖିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଟଲ୍ ବୟ 26 ଫୁଟ ଡେଉଁଛି ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ ରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛି 25 ଫୁଟ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଏନକରେଜିଂ ହିଟଲର କରୁଛି ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହବ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଟଲ୍ ବୟ କଣ କରୁଛି ହିଟିଂ ଦ ପିଟ୍ କେତେରେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ ସ୍ଲିପ ରେ ରାଇଟ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ जेसी वेंस राइवल जेसी वेंस कर राइवल कर ना कौन थिला हिटलर थिला चर्चिल थिला लॉजलॉन्ग थिला नन ऑफ द अबव लॉजलॉन्ग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स I can see most of you are answering very good. Kahar kete eपर्यंत out of 12 kahar kete rahilani just if you can put in the comment box. Why had Hitler kept him under secret? କାହିଁକି ହିଟଲର ତାଙ୍କୁ ସିକ୍ରେଟଲି ରଖିଥିଲେ hoping Lozlong would not be known to others କାହାକୁ Lozlong ଜଣାଯିବ ନାହିଁ hoping Lozlong should not talk to others Lozlong ଆଉ କାହା ସହିତ କଥା ହେବେ ନାହିଁ hoping Lozlong would win the jump all the above କୋଉଟା ହବ Lozlong ଜିତିବେ ଜମ୍ପ ଟା ନା କୋଉଟା yes 13 ହଉଛି C hoping Lozlong would win the jump. Now we'll move to question number 14. Why did Jesse Wentz think if Longo would add some new support to the Nazi Aryan superiority theory? କାହିଁକି ଜେସି ୱେନ୍ସ ଭାବୁଥିଲେ ଯଦି ଲଙ୍ଗ ଜିତନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ନାଜିସ୍ ଆରିୟନ ସୁପରିଟି ଥିଓରିକୁ ଏଟା ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଖୋରାକ ଯୋଗାଇବ because Hitler was a great leader no because Hitler had organized the Olympic event in Berlin no because Hitler had told his performers were member of a master race it might be 14 number C will be the answer କଣ କହିଥିଲେ ନା ତାଙ୍କ ମେମ୍ବର ଗୁଡି ତାଙ୍କ performer ଗୁଡିକ they are the member of a master race moving on to question number 15 what did Jesse Wentz determine कौन Jesse Wentz determine कले to respect Hitler thought तार thought को respect करिवे became nervous to know Hitler's attitude promised to show the leader and his master race who was superior and who was not and option D is none of the above I'll go with option C promise कले हिटलर को बा से जो तांकर लीडर को देखै देबे किए मास्टर आउ किए नहीं what does an angry athlete do an angry athlete easily wins the match an angry athlete become a loser an angry athlete makes mistake all the above गोटे angry athlete कौन करे गोटे angry athlete सब बेले भूल करे makes a mistake question number 17 why was Jesse Wentz disqualified in his first two trials କାହିଁକି ଜେସି ୱେନ୍ସ ତାର ପ୍ରଥମ ଦୁଇଟା ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ରେ ଡିସ୍କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ ହେଲା he was nervous he was afraid of Hitler he jumped from several inches beyond the takeoff board for a no jump this one ଅଧିକ ଡେଇଁବା ଚକ୍କରରେ ସେ କଣ କରୁଥିଲେ नो ଜମ୍ପ ଟେକଅଫ୍ ବୋର୍ଡ ରୁ ଆगे ପଳଉ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ଜେସି ୱେନ୍ସ disliked Adolf Hitler because ଜେସି ୱେନ୍ସ ଆଡଲ୍ଫ ହିଟଲରକୁ ଡିସଲାଇକ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ କାରଣ he patronized Lozlong a rival of Jesse Wentz okay he had kept Lozlong hidden from other Olympic athletes he advocated the theory of Aryan supremacy this one ସିଏ ଆରିୟନ ସୁପ୍ରିମେସି ଥିଓରି କୁ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ କରୁଥିଲେ କି ଆଡଲ୍ଫ ହିଟଲର ତେଣୁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଘୃଣା କରୁଥିଲେ Jesse Wentz could not clear two of the three long jump trials because କାହିଁକି କରିପାଇଲେ ନାହିଁ was nervous ଥିଲେ over confident ଥିଲେ was angry over the master ରାଗି ଥିଲେ feared that Lozlong would defeat him ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି ହବ C was angry over the master race right 19 will be C now we'll move to the question number 20 the important thing in Olympic is taking part playing tricks giving trials all the above it will be taking part ଅଂଶଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବା ହେଉଛି important The essential thing in life is life essential kon conquering, earning money, fighting well, winning prize. Fighting well. Answer will be C. Very good. Now 22. Wentz did not want Lozlong to win. Wentz ଚାହୁଁନଥିଲେ Lozlong ଜିତନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ? He wanted to retain the world record he had set. ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ world record ସେ ନିଜେ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ. The that would have added some new support to the Nazi-Syrian superiority theory. It would disappoint him after long years of training on ଏଇଟା ଯଦି ସେ ଜିତନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହବ ନା Nazi-Syrian superiority theory କୁ ଏଇଟା ଆହୁରି support ଦବ because Hitler ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇ କଥା କହିଥିଲେ. Now, who is referred as der Führer? Lozlong, Jesse Wentz, Hitler, none of the above. Der Führer କାହାକୁ କୁହା who is referred as der Führer? 23. ଏଠି ହବ ହିଟଲର ଏଠି der Führer ହିସାବରେ ରେଫର କରାଯାଉ ଅଛି. Anyway, now Jesse Wentz was angry because ରାଗିଥିଲେ Jesse Wentz କାହିଁକି? He was not allowed to participate in Olympic. allow କରାଯାଇନଥିଲା. He did not qualify for the event. No. Negroes were supposed to be inferior to the Aryans. Germans were superior to all other races in the world. So question number ଇରେ A, B ଦିଟାଙ୍କ ତ ହବ ନାହିଁ. C, D ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ confuse ହେବେ. Right? Jesse Wentz was angry. କାହିଁକି Jesse Wentz ରାଗିଲେ? ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆନ୍ସର ଏଠି ହବ କ'ଣ? Negroes were supposed to be inferior. Germans were the superior to all other races in the world. ଏଇଠି question number C କୁ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ. ଅପସନ୍ D ହେଇପାରେ ବଟ୍ ଏଠି ବେସିକାଲି ସେମାନେ ନିଗ୍ରୋ ଥିଲେ ଆଉ ସେ ନିଗ୍ରୋ ବୋଲି ନିଜକୁ ଇଏ କରୁଥିଲେ inferior feel କରୁଥିଲେ. Now question number 25. Again 24 ର ଆନ୍ସର ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବୁକ୍ ରେ ଦେଇଛି B. ଏଟା ହଉଛି wrong. Jesse Wentz କ'ଣ ଥିଲେ? ଆମେରିକାନ ନିଗ୍ରୋ ଥିଲେ, ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆନ ଥିଲେ, ଜର୍ମାନ ଥିଲେ, ଜଣେ ସ୍ୱିମର ଥିଲେ. ଆମେରିକାନ ନିଗ୍ରୋ ଥିଲେ. 25. The motto of the Olympic is Olympic ର motto କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? Slow and steady wins the race. Participation is important than winning. Faster, higher, stronger. Winning is more important than participation. No. Participation is important than winning. B is the right answer. Now 27. Lozlong, the German athlete had Lozlong ତାଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? Doll face ଥିଲା ନା strikingly handsome chiseled face ଥିଲା ନା tan face ନା dusky complexion? Handsome ଥିଲେ ସେ. Right? 28. Lozlong suggested Wentz to ତାଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ suggest କଲେ? Draw line few inches in the back of the board and then take off. Run fast, not to participate in the final. Foul to no fast. Answer is very easy. କହିଲେ ଟିକେ ଲାଇନ୍ ଗୋଟେ କାଟି ଦିଅ ଏତିକି ଟେକ୍ ଅଫ୍ ପୂର୍ବରୁ. All right. Now come to question number 29. Jesse Wentz considered his friendship with Lozlong as a 18 କ୍ୟାରେଟ୍ ନା 22 କ୍ୟାରେଟ୍ ନା 24 କ୍ୟାରେଟ୍ ନା 25 କ୍ୟାରେଟ୍ friendship ସେ କହିଥିଲେ consider କଲେ. ସବୁଠୁ purest form 24 କ୍ୟାରେଟ୍ my dear friends. Now 30. The founder of the modern Olympic game is किए? बिल गेट्स ना मालाला ना पियर डे कबर्टिन ना महात्मा गांधी. किए थिले फाउंडर ऑफ द मॉडर्न ओलंपिक? पियर डे कबर्टिन. Lozlong was schooled in Lozlong कोड स्कूलिंग करथिले. ए क्वेश्चन आंसर आपण माने कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखिबे. मु चैट बॉक्स रे नु कमेंट बॉक्स रे कहली लिखंतु. मु समस्त को रिप्लाई देबी ठीक कहले ना भूल कहले. an international English medium school पढ़ुले ना नाजी यूथ मूवमेंट अंडर स्कूलिंग करथिले ना अर्बन स्कूल इन जर्मनी ना नन ऑफ द अबव. 30 टा क्वेश्चन आंसर मु दिली. 31 नंबर रा आपण मान लिखंतु ए हबो ना बी हबो ना सी हबो ना डी हबो and I will answer you back in the comment box. Friend, thank you. छोटो एक प्रयास थिला आपण मानक पई. होप इट वुड हेल्प यू. आगामी दिन रे हमें अलग जते भी चैप्टर देछि तबे डिस्कशन करबा कारण मु देखुतली बहुत गुडे क्वेश्चन रो आंसर रॉन्ग अछि ताको हम चाहिले ठीक कर परिबा. थैंक यू वेरी मच माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू.